Let's make this amazing recipe wheat cake with no sugar, no oven, eggless cake. Welcome to my channel. I am Kalyaniranka. Let's start the recipe. First of all, take some soaked dates and de-seed them. Put into a mixture jar with some milk and grind it to make this kind of paste. Then take out in a container. Add some milk, oil and vanilla essence and whisk it properly. Add wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda, mix it well and sieve it to remove all the lumps. Then mix it with the help of cut and fold method. Add milk if necessary to get the proper consistency. When we get this kind of consistency, it is perfect. Grease the cake tin with some ghee and flour and dust it the remaining flour. Put the batter into the cake tin. Tap it for removing the bubbles. Then top it with some almonds, walnuts and some raisins. Put the cake tin into the preheated kadhai. Bake the cake for almost 45 minutes on same flame and the cake is ready. Separate the sides of the cake with the help of knife. And look how beautifully the cake has been separated from the cake tin. You can definitely try this recipe at your home because it is perfectly healthy and nutritious for all age groups. You can also bake this cake in oven. All the ingredients and their measurements are given in the description box of this video. If you like this recipe, then please like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching till end. Bye bye.